Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to updates related to company. Wipro is sending survey mail again and I am sharing the AI related hiring from top company. Salary is 8 LPA and freshers and experience both can apply. I already shared the hiring opportunity like Candy-share update in the today's morning video. We received the update 6 hours ago again. I already shared this update with all of you 23 hours ago. So if you still not fill the survey form, you can fill by applying or by click on this link and you can check the survey form. There is an amazing webinar in just 99 rupees that I want to share with all of you. It's a very important video for all of you. Understanding generative AI and its impact, use cases, tools and industry trend. It is a live online workshop. You can earn a certificate of participation from Great Learning, get a complimentary resume review by experts, unlock a 20,000 rupees scholarship for a Microsoft Accelerator program in data science and AI. The date of workshop is July 19, 2025 and the time is 12 p.m. and the fees is 99 rupees. When you click on sign up option here, they will ask your details. You have to choose work experience on here. You are currently college student 0 year and you have to click continue to pay. Okay, in this session, you will get understand Gen AI fundamental and application. Live interactive QA session will be there and the rest thing I already told you. So you can join the live master class at just 99 rupees. Here what you will learn in R1, you will learn decoding generative AI. What is Gen AI? Text, image, video, audio creation, ChatGPT, DALL-E, Azure, OpenAI, how they work, business impact, research and development, customer experience, design and automation. In the next hour, R2, career roadmap and how Accelerator program helps you break in. Role of LLM engineer, prompt engineer, AI analyst, how Accelerator program bridge the skill gap in 2025. Career tech, mentorship, hands-on learning structure, career support, scholarship and success story. Who should join and how it fast track your AIDS career. So this is the story of excellence of learners. You can check and the link is present in the description. You have to check and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's discuss about all the new things that is related to hiring. Cognic system, it is a Cedar Park Texas based company. AI agent and bot developer is the hiring. It is posted on 10th July. Entry level full time, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, India. Directly share your resume to this email ID. This is the skills required and freshers is eligible entry level. Okay, next hiring is Bank of America is hiring for apprentice role. Apprentice role is the hiring. Final year graduate BA, BCom, BBA is eligible. Okay, final year graduate with 60% scores. Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, Gurugram, Gift City is the location. So 25 batch can try to apply for opportunity. Economics time announced the product intern AI research opportunity. Build working product, explore AI frontiers, invent the future. Everything is mentioned. Batch is not mentioned. It is a skills based opportunity. Okay, you can check the economics time, AI research internship, email name, email, mobile number, college name, highest degree, passing year. So 25, 26 previous batch can also try. Next hiring is basically from Mindwebs. They are hiring for React Native SD intern, React developer intern, PPO subject to performance up to 8 LPA, 15,000 per month is the stipend. Kolkata in office is the preferred. Offer rolled out in less than 7 days of first communication, so it is a immediate hiring. Machine learning engineer, software development engineer, ASDE, okay, and content media specialist, sales marketing is the requirement. You can apply the deadline is very soon, so apply for opportunity. Last hiring is basically from Sprinklr. They are hiring for AI ML engineer, VoIP engineer, front end, back end, product engineer. Directly share your resume to this email ID. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.